Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Krita, or it might be Krita, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, sorry. So first, you're going to make a new file. You can either click New File here, or you can click File up here, do New, it'll take you to the same spot. You can use a custom document, create from clipboard, animation templates, comic templates, design templates, DSLR templates, or texture templates. Today we're going to use custom document. You can change the width, height, resolution, pixels, /inch, model, depth, profile, image size. You can use content where you can name it. I'm going to call this tutorial. You can choose how many layers, the background color, background opacity, and all of these. Click create once you've done all that. Now, to start, you need to know about these over here. This little slider. You can zoom in, zoom out, just like that. Okay, then up here, important brushes. Oh, also, this is undo and redo. You need to know those. So there's a brush. That brush will be used for everything over here. That means, say you can choose a color from the palette, or you can use this color wheel, choose your color here. Then down here you can choose all of your brushes. We're going to use this basic pen for now. Up here, look, oh no, it's too big. Change it down to the right size. Alright, so now we're going to make a little drawing. Let's do this. I'm just going to scribble out a little flower. Okay, pretend this is a really good drawing. I have a little flower. Now if we want to erase it, we can use this eraser. Change the size. This one's, you see it's a circle here. Or we can use this eraser, which you can see is a square. See the difference between those? Then we have a kneadable eraser, where if we push down hard, it'll erase it all. If we do very lightly, we'll just make it erase it faintly, or we can get rid of all of it. Okay, so those are the erasers. Remember, you have to use the brush for that. We also have pencils, we have pens, we have markers, brushes, all these things. Oh, and some of them are cool textures, like you see a sponge. Add texture of a sponge. You can blend it with cotton swab, art blender, all of these things. Then at the very bottom you'll have these. They're like patterns of stamps. This one, stars, dots. Look, they even have bubbles. It's kind of faint and hard to see, sorry. You can even make mountains. Wow. Look, I'm just stamping mountains, don't mind me. So those would be cool for drawings. There's patterns, just even, look at this. You could add snake skin. You could make a character that's a snake. And when you want to get rid of that, you could just undo it all, or you could erase. Okay, next, you can add text. Click this, go to a corner, drag it out. Then here you can change the size of your text, the color of your text. We'll even give you an example here. You could say I. And here, change the font, save it, close. Then here, it's your text. It's pretty small and yellow. I probably should have chosen yellow. Alright, want to get rid of that? Undo. Or can you erase text? Nope. Oh, because see, this is a vector layer. So if you want to edit that, you can do it over there. So now we're going to get rid of the text. Okay, now I'm going to show you these other features up here. This one is a line where you can just draw it, and then when it comes back, hey, it should appear in a straight line. My computer's glitching, I'm sorry. Next we have a square, choose the color of your square, and it should appear in a square here, which again, my computer is glitching, so I'm sorry. Next we have circle, where you drag it out into a circle, and then a circle would appear. This, you have to connect the lines into a shape, and that shape will appear. This one is the same thing. Connect them. And that's what most of these are. You can connect here, you can create a grid to move the grid. You can select here, if you draw something, you can select it and move your drawing. You can even shrink it. You can get the corner. So, yeah. And then over here you can add layers by clicking add. You can, if you want to edit the background, unlock it. Keep it locked, but go to your paint layer. Normally this would be like the normal paint layer. We go to the background and unlock the paint layer. Then we can do something behind it in the background. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment on what you want me to show in Krita next.